Hi everybody, I'm Lady Red. This is Lady Red's Tech Reviews. Today we're going to take a minute and set up the Samsung A12. So, if you're curious how to set one up for yourself, watch this video. Stay here, leave a like on the video, drop a comment if you have any other questions, and subscribe to the channel, ring that bell and get all the notifications for the new videos. Alright, so I always bring you an unboxing, but I set it up off camera, and I've had a few comments, people asking to set it up and show them where to put the SIM card in and how to put their Google information in. And I run into that here in the store as well. So if you have just purchased a new device from online, or maybe you got it at the store and you asked them not to set that up, you bought it from a big box store where they didn't set it up for you, this video is for you. This is how to set up your new Samsung A12 and any other Samsung device. The setup will be the same. This is good for the 2021 models. So let's take a look. Alright, so we're going to set up the Samsung Galaxy A12, and this is just a tutorial for you. If you are purchasing a phone online and you've never set one up before, you're just curious, you factory reset your phone maybe and you need to set it back up, this is what you're going to need to do. It's pretty simple stuff. Hit the arrow, agree to terms and conditions, and this will work for any Samsung phone manufactured in 2021. We're going to sign on to the Wi-Fi. Alright, once you've signed into Wi-Fi, just click Next. Trying to get those lights out of the screen there. And this takes a few minutes depending on your Wi-Fi speed. Alright, and now copy apps and data. We're not going to copy just yet. Okay, so we're not going to copy anything right now. We're just going to go don't copy. Just remember that, don't copy. Okay, and then another couple minutes. Now, what we're going to do here, this is where you're going to put in your Google information. Once you've gotten your password and everything in there, you need to put in your Gmail and your password. Then click I agree on the next screen. Sometimes Google will prompt you to go into another phone to click yes if it doesn't recognize the device, and in which case you'll need your other phone with you on the Wi-Fi if you don't have an active SIM card in it. What this does, this will bring in your backup, your contacts, your pictures, documents that you may have saved, anything you have saved in your Google file, in your Google Cloud, will come back into the new phone. All right, and moving right along, you just scroll up, click accept. Those are all terms and conditions. We're not going to put any passwords or anything like that on there. Okay, and now it's going to prompt you to sign into your Samsung account. If you do have one, you can sign into it. If you don't have one, just click skip. And then finish. Now, what's important is you're going to have a second setup process. All of the newer phones have this annoying feature. What you're going to do, drop the screen down, and then we wait for it. There it is, right here. Click that. And we go through the setup process again. What this is doing is updating the built-in apps, updating your operating system. Anything that is already downloaded in the phone is going to begin the updates right now. I hate this. I absolutely hate this feature. It began with Android 10, and every phone has it now. You have to set them all up twice, which is ridiculous. Google should really do better. I don't know who thought of this, but they need to lose their vacation days or a job or something, because this is absolutely terrible. I actually did make a whole video on how much I hate setting a phone up twice, because that's what we're doing here. We're setting up every phone twice. And if you haven't already added your Google account, then you will be prompted to do so here. But since we already have it on here, we're just going to click Next. And it is important that you do the second setup because your phone's not going to function properly until you do, because it will not have the updated versions of your built-in pre-installed apps, and that includes the operating system. Google Play services will not be updated, so you will not run your apps very smoothly. A lot of people come back in the store with a lot of complaints, and it's because sometimes we do have to send them out without doing this for them in the store because our Wi-Fi is so slow and they're in a hurry. But here is where, if you want to go ahead, do facial recognition, fingerprint, pattern, PIN, or password, you can always do that from this screen or from your security screen in your settings menu. And there we have it. The phone is set up and ready to use. App updates are installing. You can check the progress here. And there it is. That's how you set up any Samsung device manufactured in 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Lady Red. Have a great day.